Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you love adding a little sparkle to your eye looks, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today, we're checking out the Kiko Milano Glitter Shower Eyeshadow in shade 08 Into the Rose, a powder eyeshadow designed to deliver a shimmery, high-coverage finish that's blendable for all kinds of creative looks. This eyeshadow comes in a soft, powder formula enriched with finely milled shimmer particles that catch the light beautifully. The brand highlights its blendability, so whether you're layering for intensity or creating a subtle wash of glitter, it's meant to be easy to work with. The shade Into the Rose is a warm rosy pink with a sparkling finish, perfect for adding a playful yet elegant touch to your eye makeup. When I tested it, the first thing I noticed was just how vibrant the pigment is straight out of the pan. A light swipe gives a noticeable shimmer, while building it up creates that full eye-catching glitter effect. Application is smooth, and it blends seamlessly with other eyeshadows, making it versatile for both daytime glam and evening sparkle. I found it adhered well on primer or a base eyeshadow, and there was minimal fallout compared to some other glitter formulas I've tried. One small caveat: if you're using your fingers or a brush without a tacky base, the glitter does move a bit, so a primer really helps lock it in place. I love the packaging. It's compact, sleek, and travel-friendly, which makes it easy to toss in your makeup bag. The powder itself feels finely milled, so there's no gritty texture, and the shimmer particles are finely dispersed, giving you that smooth, reflective finish without feeling heavy on the lids. Pros: the pigmentation is impressive, the blendability is excellent, and the glitter effect is eye-catching but still wearable. The shade Into the Rose is flattering on a variety of skin tones and perfect for anyone who wants a pop of shimmer without going overboard. On the downside, a primer is really key if you want longevity. Otherwise, you may notice some fading throughout the day. Also, the glitter is beautiful, but if you're not a fan of sparkle on a daily basis, this might feel a little bold. As for value, Kiko Milano products generally sit in the mid-range price bracket, and this eyeshadow feels worth it given the pigmentation and quality of the shimmer. Compared to other high-shine glitter eyeshadows on the market, it holds up nicely. It's on par with luxury brands in terms of sparkle, but at a fraction of the price. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are some duos or palettes that offer glitter shades, but the single pan here allows for full control over intensity, which I appreciate. While I haven't interacted with Kiko Milano's customer service for this product, the brand has a solid reputation for support and accessibility in case any questions arise. And the build quality is good. The pan feels sturdy, the compact is functional, and the product should last a long time if used with care. If you're a glitter enthusiast or just someone who loves to experiment with high-shine eyeshadows, this Kiko Milano Glitter Shower in 08 Into the Rose is a fun, high-quality choice. It delivers on its promise of high coverage and blendable shimmer, making it an enjoyable addition to any makeup routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this eyeshadow in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how you've used it in your looks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.